Welcome back to our series of Minecraft things in Maine and popular character names pronunciation videos. Let's take a look at how to pronounce this word. Evoker is a hostile mob from the game Minecraft. Found in Woodland Mansions and raids, the Evoker uses magic to summon Vexes and create deadly fang attacks. It is one of the strongest Illagers and drops the valuable Totem of Undying when defeated. Pronunciation: French. In France, the word Evoker is pronounced Ee-voh-ker, with a smooth Ee-voh and a clear ker. Evoker, giving it a flowing and balanced sound. American. In America, people say Ee-voh-ker, with emphasis on the second syllable. Ee-voh-ker, making it sound clear and firm. British. In the UK, it's pronounced Ee-voh-kuh, with a softer ending. Ee-voh-kuh, giving it a smoother, relaxed tone. Summary: French, Evoker; American, Evoker; British, Evoke. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pronunciation videos.